Hi guys, welcome back, or welcome if you're new to my channel. After going vegan, I found that baking could be quite a challenge. I wasn't sure how to adjust my recipes to replace the eggs, milk, and butter, which are key to baked goods. I was able to find substitute plant-based versions of milk and butter that worked well, but finding a good egg substitute was a problem. I shied away from using flax eggs in the past because I didn't like the graininess of the ground flax in my enriched doughs. Then I discovered this method that doesn't involve using ground flax. This method produces a gel that mimics egg consistency and is virtually flavorless. Here's how you make it. Into a medium-sized pot, add 4 cups of water and ½ cup of flax seeds. I found that using golden flax seeds gives you a more realistic egg-like color. Stir occasionally because the seeds tend to stick to the bottom. Bring this to a boil and simmer for 20 to 25 minutes. Then just strain the flax seeds from the liquid. Oh, and don't let those flax seeds go to waste. I rinse the gel and dry them out, and then I feed them to my squirrels and birds in the backyard. To use the flax eggs in a recipe, 3 tablespoons equals 1 egg. Pouring the gel to measure it can be kind of a challenge, so I have found that weighing it is a lot easier and more accurate. 3 tablespoons of the gel is equal to 45 grams or 45 milliliters. I found the best way to store the flax eggs is to pour the liquid into an ice cube tray and freeze it. Then pop out the cubes and store them in a freezer bag. You can thaw out what you need as you need it. I've had great success in my baked goods using these flax eggs. I recently posted a blueberry muffin recipe using them and they were delicious. I'll leave a link in the description below for the recipe. I hope you'll give these flax eggs a try. Leave a comment below and let me know if you've tried them in a recipe and how it turned out. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.